welcome back to my channel. So today I am sharing my favorite cleaning products with you. So I have them all sat out here and I'll go through each of them and tell you what I like about them. I will say that they are all natural products, so if that's what you're into, you'll definitely like everything that I'm sharing here. Everything but one actually is natural, and I'll actually start with that one just to get it out of the way. So my first product is the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. I like the extra durable one. I'm just including this first because I'm not sure like if there's weird ingredients in it. I can't even find like an ingredients list. I have no idea. I'm not even sure. So this works amazing though if you have like marks on your walls. I'm sure that once Colton is older and he like tries to color on the wall or something, that this will be great for that. We have a cat and a dog, so sometimes like, you know, they'll rub up against stuff or get like marks on things. And we have like, if you've ever seen my cleaning videos, we have like a white bay window like with a big white ledge. And so sometimes my cat's like paw prints and stuff kind of get on there. So I use this to get that all off. And I find like around like light switches, you know, like the fingerprints and stuff, I use that to get the fingerprints off of there, and this works great. So yeah, the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser is one of my favorite things ever. So my favorite toilet cleaner is the Method Anti-Bac Toilet. It says it's a disinfecting toilet cleaner, and this is in the spearmint scent. I love this. I was a little skeptical when I bought it because like a natural toilet cleaner, I don't know, like you would think that you need like bleach or something to clean your toilet, but I find that this works really well. It says that it kills 99.99% of bacteria. I like the smell of it. It sort of smells like toothpaste, but that's kind of fine because it's your bathroom. So I find that it's like really fresh smelling and it's not like super overpowering like some toilet cleaners. Yeah, so this is my favorite toilet cleaner. And my favorite bathroom cleaner is the Method Bathroom Cleaner. It says it's naturally derived tub and tile cleaner, and this is in the eucalyptus mint scent. It says that it dissolves soap scum, cleans mold and mildew stains, and I think that it does. I like the smell of it. I like the smell of this better than the daily shower cleaner. I think daily bathroom cleaner. I'm not sure what the like clear one's called. I like the smell of this one better. And I use that. This is I think my second bottle that I've gone through. I love this stuff. So my favorite dish soap is the Method dish soap in the clementine flavor scent. I don't know. I don't use this on all my dishes. If you've ever watched my cleaning videos, I use just like normal dish soap for my actual dishes, but I use this for Colton's bottles. I'm really not that anal about like super like all natural stuff, but I find with his bottles I want to make sure that I'm not using like a weird soap that's leaving like a scum on it maybe. So I like to use the Method dish soap. I love the smell of it. I find that it keeps his bottles really clean. I don't see like a weird like cloudiness to his bottles or anything. And so I absolutely love the Method dish soap, and the clementine scent smells so good. So next is the Method Wood for Good Squirt and Mop. This is a wood floor cleaner in the almond scent. It's a wood cleaner, or it's a wood floor cleaner, but I actually use it on all my floors. We do have hardwood in our dining room, and that's the only place we have hardwood now. But we did rip up some other hardwood. We put ceramic tile down, and so I actually use this on everything. I use it on my ceramic tile. I use it on the tile that's in our bathroom. I use it on our wood floor. I just love the smell of it. I do have, I don't remember what the new one I bought was, but it's the actual floor cleaner for like any kind of floor. I like the smell of that one, but I've just been using this one longer and I really like it. And as you can tell, like, you barely use any, like you feel like you're squirting out a lot when you're using it, but you're honestly not, because this is all I've used and I've had this for a while. Oh no, what's wrong? Oh. Yeah, so it says that it smells like almonds. I honestly think it smells like cherries or something, but it smells really good. So next is the Method Steel for Real, I guess steel cleaner, like stainless steel cleaner. It says it cleans and polishes. It's in the apple orchard scent. It says it cleans fingerprints and smudges with no streaking. I recently bought this. Before this I was using a like non-toxic brand of steel cleaner. I'm not sure. I've been trying to find this like everywhere, and I finally found it because if you don't know, I live in Canada and we're kind of wonky on things we can find here. Like I haven't been able to find any of the Method anti-bac cleaners. Side note, but I've been loving this Steel for Real cleaner. We have all stainless steel appliances, and so I've been testing this out to see if I like it, because some people say they don't like it, and I do. I also use a microfiber cloth that is specifically for stainless steel, so I don't know if that maybe is making it work better. I'm not sure, but I really like this. Next is the Method Glass and Surface Cleaner. This is in the mint scent. I absolutely love this. We were like huge Windex fans. I don't know if that's a weird thing, but my fiance loves Windex. Like he would clean his like car upholstery with it and everything. And so we always had Windex. But when I saw that Method had a glass cleaner that I could get here in Canada, I tried it out and I love this. I think it works great on mirrors and windows, and it's just awesome. We have a lot of like older windows in our house because we have a pretty old house, and I find like that it actually gets like the dirt and stuff out of like the little crevices and whatnot. So I absolutely love this stuff, and it smells really good. And last is actually not a Method product because all I've talked about is Method. This is the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day multi-surface everyday cleaner in the lemon verbena scent. I absolutely love this. You can't tell from because there's the label here, but I think there's only like this much left in it, and I haven't even had it that long. I'm obsessed with this. I use it every single day to wipe down my counters in my kitchen and to wipe down the table in my living room. I use this everywhere. I'm obsessed with it. I love it, and I actually heard that there is a like concentrate that you can buy, so I'm gonna get that so that I can just keep filling up this bottle, because this is a little expensive here in Canada because there's only a few stores you can get it at. I love this. It works so well. It smells so good, and yeah, I just absolutely love it. And it does say that you can use it on non-porous surfaces like finished wood and tile floors, countertops, walls, porcelain, bathroom fixtures, sealed stone and granite. Simply spray and wipe. And I think I've probably used it on almost all of those surfaces. I love this. I even use it to like clean my walls. Like I was saying, so I'll use this to like wipe down the wall, and then I'll use the magic eraser to like get any like stuck on stuff off of the wall. But this is amazing. So those are my favorite cleaning products. I would love if you guys could let me know down below what your favorite cleaning products are, so that maybe I can try them out if I can find them here in Canada. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, we would love it if you would hit the subscribe button down below so that you can see our new upcoming videos, and don't forget to hit that bell to get notifications, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and we will see you guys in our next video. Thanks so much for watching.